have to do it. Okay, we should have. So now we have 3 more friends, right? Yes. So they have the another kind of issue. Yes. Okay. So both, I mean, I should really appreciate there is a restaurant, both owner and executive are involved. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Please sit down. Please sit down. On this side we have one group. What they were offering? They were offering good or service? They were offering good or service? Service. And we have these gentlemen. Okay, what they were offering? Goods. Right? Can we have 2 owners? Please stand up. Can we have 2 owners? Please stand up. Owners. Okay, can you tell me, have you any understanding? What was there any challenge that you faced? She was asking for some service. So you have a different variety, right? Okay, what you shown? What you have shown? Isn't it? This is something that will give support to you. It's not a service. It is a good only. Service is something different. Maybe it is a Morocco massage. Maybe it is a Kashmiri massage. Maybe it is something hot stone massage. There can be different varieties, as simple as it is. There can be different types. Okay? Okay, can you make her understand? What you have shown? You have shown these things. But service is altogether different. It is tangible or intangible. So when something is intangible, can you make other understand? Are you getting my point? Is it clear with you? Okay, can you tell us what is your experience? What they were doing? Has anyone observed it? What they were doing? And when the owner was involved, what he was doing? Yes, can you tell us? Yes, what was the experience? आप बता सकते हैं, please. Share experience. हाँ. Okay. Okay.
Because of variety of the pens.
So variety of pens. Okay. But then since
I choose the best pen.
oh, so how?
By demand, highly high discount offer.
Okay. But on the other side, you should understand this thing as well. They were having pens in hand. Are you getting my point? And then he was able to write. He was able to see the grade. Everything. Are you getting my point? So, can you tell me, does intangibility adds to the challenge of the marketer? Is it clear? What I have to make you understand here is because of this role play, there are characteristics of the services. Goods are tangible, but their services, please sit down. Their services intangible. There is not only one characteristic. There is something called as, see, listen, when there is intangibility, that means जिसको हम टच नहीं कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते हैं, उसको दूसरे को कैसे हम, it is very typical, it is very difficult to make someone understand, right? And then we have strategies. जैसे आपने ये चीजें दिखाई, we have strategies. Right? That we are going to explore in future. Right? In our next lectures. There is something called as inseparability. Listen. This is another important characteristic. जापान में पेन बनाया किसी कंपनी, okay? Japanese pen at one point of time, it was, a dream come true. जापान में मेरा दोस्त वहां पे चला, ठीक है? And I have a friend from China, ठीक है? उसने जापान से ली. जापान का चाइना का फ्रेंड, मैं गया चाइना में, मैंने चाइना में परचेज किया, ठीक है? मैंने अपने भाई को गिफ्ट किया. Are you getting my point? किसने बनाया और किसने यूटिलाइज किया? There is kind of, they are separate, but it is not case with service. Service में producer और consumer को हम अलग नहीं कर सकते हैं. Are you getting my point? This is another important challenge. This is another important characteristic with the services. There is something called inseparability. There is something called as perishability. There is something called as perishability. Okay. पेन है, it's there only. पेन इनके पास है. किसी ने सर्विस दिया, since it is intangible, since it perishes. हम वापस नहीं जा सकते हैं. As simple as it is. इसको हम स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं. We cannot keep it. हमें लग रहा है कि नहीं? Are you getting my point? हम किसी और को दिखाएंगे ये सर्विस है. अब नहीं है. सर्विस once it is done is done. As simple as it is. So you cannot store service. Another important challenge with the service is perishability. It perishes. The moment it is given, it is given. As simple as it is a one shot. That means आप afford नहीं कर सकते. As a marketer, we cannot afford to be imperfect. As simple as it is. We cannot afford. Are you getting my point? To be low in quality. As simple as it is. There is something called variability. There is something called variability. Now what is variability? ये पेन है. There is pen. This is the pen or this is the pen. अगर हम इसका दूसरा पेन देखेंगे ना, identical, ditto, यही होगा. हम ये लैपटॉप देखेंगे, ditto, दूसरा लैपटॉप बिल्कुल सेम होगा. आपका बैग दूसरा सेम होगा. क्यों? What is the reason? The reason is standard. स्टैंडर्ड हमें पता है क्योंकि हम देख सकते हैं ना, इवैल्यूएट कर सकते हैं, चेक कर सकते हैं. जिस चीज को हम सर्विसेज आर इंटेंजिबल, जो सर्विस देते हैं वो क्या है? इंटेंजिबल, उसको देख नहीं सकते. दैट मींस नो टू सर्विसेज कैन बी अलाइक. दैट मींस कंसिस्टेंसी इज अ चैलेंज इन केस ऑफ services. So there is another characteristic, that is something called as variability. Is it clear? अभी तक आपको क्या पता था? There is only one characteristic, and that is intangibility. But intangibility is one characteristic. There are more characteristics, like as I mentioned, there is inseparability, there is perishability, there is variability. What is variability? No two services can be same, alike. क्यों? Reason is we cannot see services, we cannot test services, right? But another important thing you need to understand is there is low price sensitivity. Now just this graph will tell you the right idea about low price sensitivity. When it comes to services, that means services will give you profits. But only thing is you have to give quality. अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट में क्वालिटी होगा, like there is something called education, there is something called medical services, आप दोगे. Are you getting my point? हॉस्पिटल में लोग जाते हैं, but क्या है वहां पे? There is performance expectation. When performance expectation is high, you want quality. If quality is maintained by the marketers, that means आपका क्या होगा? Price sensitivity is less. जितना क्या होगा? जितना as I mentioned, ये हाई है परफॉर्मेंस एक्सपेक्टेशन. जैसे ऑटोमोबाइल मैकेनिक इसलिए वहां पे बार्गेनिंग का ज्यादा चांस होता है. As simple as it is. The idea here is to tell you here that services give you profits, but only thing is what we have to maintain. What we have to maintain? As a marketer, quality has to be maintained. Because the more quality, expectations for the performance high, that means price sensitivity is low. As simple as it is. So customers are going to give you money. That is what is happening in case of education. People spend like anything. But on the other side, expectations are high. People go to the hospitals and they can spend any amount there. Expectation is high and people pay for it. As simple as it is. Is it clear with everyone? Right? So just these role plays have given us insights related to the characteristics of services, right?